Hello guys, take a look at this really interesting item that I found in my local Lidl store, Parkside Grout pen. I have some really dirty and faded out grouts in my bathroom, so when I saw it I immediately bought it. The price is only €1. Let's test it and see if it's any good. According to Parkside, this should be waterproof and smudge proof. Let's hope it is. On some places you have to do a couple of runs. Well, it's working, but I'm not sure how long it will last, and for best results you have to be extremely, and I mean extremely careful not to paint the edges of your tiles. My suggestion is to buy a proper grouting mixture, remove the old grout and apply a new one. There's absolutely no point in losing a couple of hours of your time using such a pen with no guarantee on the results. So that's all from me for this video. If you'd like it, you know what to do.